Hi, welcome to my channel Creative IT Hacks. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Hi, today we'll learn how to split and merge table in MS Word quickly. First we insert a table with the help of inserting table. So, go to the Insert tab, then click on Table and insert a table. These shortcuts help you quickly split a big table into smaller, manageable parts, making it easier to work. After this process, select the area you want to split the table. Or place your cursor at the location in the table where you want to split it. Press Alt plus Shift plus down arrow key. This will split the table into two separate tables. Using these shortcuts saves time by avoiding manual table splitting and merging, enhancing productivity. To merge tables, select the area you want to merge from table. Press Alt plus Shift plus up arrow key. This will merge the two selected tables into one, allowing you to combine multiple smaller tables into one organized whole. It's give your work a professional look. Thanks for watching. If you are new on my YouTube channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update.